Ciao a tutti! Let's make a typical bread from the south of Italy. A semolina bread with a thin, crunchy dark crust and a dense aromatic yellow crumb. Perfect for mozzarella and carrozza or as a quick snack with ripe tomatoes and basil. The day before, at night time, you prepare a biga. It's a pre-fermented dough which gives the bread a great flavor and texture, and it's even better for your digestion. Put all the ingredients for the biga in a bowl and knead until it's a sticky and rough dough. Cover it and let it rest in an oiled bowl for 12 hours. I use olive oil, which gives a great aroma to the dough. In the morning, you make the second dough with the semolina flour and 1 cup of lukewarm water. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. This is important because the semolina flour needs time to hydrate. Now the biga should have bubbles and doubled in size. Put the biga and the second dough in a large bowl and start mixing and kneading all together. Then add the bread flour and remaining water to this mixture. Squeeze the dough between your fingers until you have incorporated all the flour. At the end, start kneading the salt in the dough. Keep kneading, pushing, stretching the dough until it's elastic and smooth, for at least about 10 minutes. Cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour. In this time, you have to fold it every 15 minutes. Fold it like I do it in the video. Stretching and folding the dough will improve the quality of the bread. Stretch it always with wet hands. After the last fold, cover it and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. The dough should grow and double in size. Now make a fold and shape it to a big ball. Make a cut with the knife and put the dough in the preheated iron pan. Cover it with the top and bake it at 415 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then open the iron pot and let it bake for another 50 minutes. The bread should have a golden brown color and a crispy crust. Try it, it's so delicious and so yummy.